Tommy. Hello? Who? Yeah? No, I'm outside shooting with my best friends. Okay, bye. Yes. I love you too.
Hi. Are you talking to your mommy? I was talking to my dad, man.
I want to record you hitting him.
Tell Perry. I'm sick. I don't want to get you sick.
He just had monoceliosis.
And I have a bad cold. So I don't want to get you sick.
That's a kissing disease. That means he's made out with like 500 girls and he's been like in bed with
Let's
them girls.
narrow it down. It's only have 4. Oh, no.
And he's been in bed with all 4 of them.
Bastard.
He's not a bee anymore.
So,
yeah. Maybe like here.
How's Troy? How's Troy? Wait. Is it true? Wait, is it true or Troy?
It's true.
His name's True?
How is it?
Well, he's cute, he's fat. Yeah.
How tall is he?
He told like, okay, like. Like this tall.
Right, he's pretty tall.
You know what's true? He hit you.
But he hit me. Did you guys kiss yet?
I did.
Oh, you guys kissed.
I married Drew.
You married
Oh, like you married
Because
Tommy?
not Thomas Fox.
I thought you guys got married.
Thomas is, well, you know the ball.
You cheated on him?
No, Thomas Fox.
You cheated
Got
on
with his sister.
You cheated on Thomas' fucking sister?
No, Enrique.
Slayer.
Oh my god, that was so close to hitting me.
Say you're sorry.
No.
You almost hit her.
No, I'm gonna hit you.
Sorry to Katie, but don't say sorry to
Okay, I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit him.
Just say I'm sorry.
So, have you joined any school teams?
I'm gonna hit.
Holy hit. Oh my god, I want to join that team.
Me too.
Yeah, they're like a blood team. Like a suck in my blood.
That's like a vampire team. That would be so cool. I wish I was a vampire.
Oh,
Yeah,
me too.
suck in blood.
Well, I'm on track. I'm trying to play football.
Like
Tell me.
blood.
Well, I'm on track. Trying for football. I'm trying for basketball.
It was good.
He didn't make football. He didn't make basketball.
I didn't try out for any of those. I only tried out for track.
Well, you know what? And he didn't even go to school because he wasn't even that good.
Yeah, may I be coming. Post this.
Good joke.
You know about that.
Run.
Dude, I have his backpack. You can't leave, okay? I have his notebook.
I was trying so
I
hard
miss
not to
him
laugh.
so